everyone. Let us see the next examples. Prove that a to the power minus 1 by a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 by a to the power minus 1 minus b to the power minus 1 equal to 2b square by a square minus b square. First we will see this sum, then we will go for that one. Here we will use the formula a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. Using this, I am going to write this one as 1 by a by here 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by a by 1 by a minus 1 by b. This equal to here numerator I am keeping as it is. In the denominator again the fractions are there. I am taking the LCM as AB. A in AB b times 1 into b gives you b there plus b in AB will give you a times 1 into a plus 1 by a by here also LCM will be AB. A in AB b times 1 into b minus b in AB a times a. We know that 1 divided by 1 by 2 is there. Then this one will write this one as in this manner. So 1 times reciprocal of this one will write. So this also I am writing in the same way. 1 by a times reciprocal of this fraction will become ab by b plus a plus 1 by a times ab by b minus a. A and a gets cancelled. A and a gets cancelled. We left with b by b plus a plus b by b minus a. Now again I am taking the LCM. This LCM will be b plus a into b minus a. B plus a, b minus a times, so b into b minus a plus b minus a, b plus a times, so b into b plus a. So it will become b square minus ab plus b square plus ab by b square minus a square. A plus b into a minus b formula. Plus minus ab plus b plus ab gets cancelled. You left with 2b square by b square minus a square. Is it clear now? We got that RHS also same thing. We got taken the LHS and we proved the step by step and we proved this one as RHS. Same way in this sum also once you observe, find the value of 4 to the power 4x whole to the power 1 by x if 9 to the power x plus 2 equal to 720 plus 9 to the power x. X value we will find it out first, then we will find out the value this one. 9 to the power x plus 2 equal to 720 plus 9 to the power x. Using the law a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, using this one in a reverse manner, I am going to split this one as 9 to the power x times 9 square equal to 720 plus 9 to the power x. I am sending this 9 to the power x towards the left hand direction, then it will become 9 to the power x times 9 square minus 9 to the power x equal to 720. Now here 9 to the power x nothing is there means into 1 I can write. 1 into any number will give you the same number. So what am I going to do? Here also 9 to the power x is there. Here also 9 to the power x is there. That 9 to the power x I am taking out common. I left with this came out. I left with 9 square here minus this came out 1 equal to 720. 9 to the power x into 9 square is nothing but 81 minus 1 equal to 720. 9 to the power x into 80 equal to 720. 9 to the power x equal to 720 upon 80. 0 gets cancelled. 8 9s are 72. 9 to the power x is equal to 9. Nothing is there means I am writing 1. So here bases are equal. Here bases are equal. So powers must be equated. Therefore x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, the value of 4x whole to the power 1 by x equal to 4 into 1 whole to the power 1 by 1. That is 4 whole to the power 1. This value is nothing but 4. Clear?